Now, coronavirus cases in San Francisco were up 81% last week compared to the week prior, a surprising surge in a highly vaccinated city. KTVU's Jana Katsuyama joins us now live after speaking with a doctor who says there are 3 factors that could be contributing to the spike. Jana.
Andre, San Francisco's vaccination rate is higher than most areas nationwide, but health experts say that there are still enough unvaccinated people that the virus is able to spread, and that is a big concern.
Concern over continuing spread of the coronavirus Delta variant is reaching even the highly vaccinated city of San Francisco. According to the San Francisco Department of Public Health, 83% of eligible residents ages 12 and up have had at least 1 dose of a COVID vaccine. That's 75% of San Francisco's total population, which is higher than the state and federal levels. Still, the coronavirus is spreading quickly. This week, the number of new COVID cases increased 81% from the previous week, according to the California Data Coalition.
We've got a virus circulating now, the Delta variant, that's twice as transmissible as the variant that caused that terrible time we had in December and January.
Dr. John Swartzberg, an infectious disease expert with the UC Berkeley School of Public Health, says along with the Delta variant, the surge in cases is also partly due to the state's reopening on June 15th.
A lot of people just thought this pandemic was over and are acting like that and doing the kinds of things that put them at risk for getting infected.
And even with the high vaccination rate in San Francisco, children under 12 still are not eligible for the vaccine. And San Francisco also is a destination spot for visitors from less vaccinated locations in California and nationwide.
We still have an awful lot of people who are not vaccinated. So there's plenty of places where this virus can go, plenty of people that it can infect.
Hospitalization rates are also increasing. The great majority of patients are unvaccinated. There are some breakthrough cases, with about 5.8 people per 100,000 fully vaccinated residents in San Francisco coming down with COVID. But Dr. Swartzberg says those vaccinated cases are mostly mild or asymptomatic. And for now, the small percentage is in line with expectations.
It is in line with it, but it's at the upper end of in line with it. We need a few more weeks to see if we're getting more breakthrough cases with Delta or not.
A new poll released Friday by the Associated Press found among the unvaccinated Americans, 80% said they probably will not get the COVID vaccine. But Dr. Swartzberg says that could change if cases continue to surge or restaurants, bars, and workplaces begin requiring people to show that proof of vaccination. Andre.
Good reminder to get the vaccine. All right, thank you so much, Jen.